You can feel the beachy California vibes in the air when entering Danielle and Brian's Little Craftsman in Berkeley. Maybe it's the open space layout of the living area and the hanging macrame planters combined with soft colors. Or maybe it's just Danielle and Brian's laid-back nature on a Saturday morning, while they walk around barefoot, sip coffee, play some music, and get ready to kick off the weekend with a farmer's market stroll and a drive to the beach. Danielle, an art director, and Brian, an architect, have been living in their house for only a year, but due to their nature of getting projects done on time, the house is already picture perfect.